Hey everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to make Adam and Eve on Infinite Craft. First of all we have to start with so just drag earth over here and window over it to create dust. Just drag dust, combine earth over dust to create planet. Now we have to use wind of separately and fire over it to create smoke, and just combine water with smoke to create fog, and now combine fog with planet to create Venus. After this we have to use water and fire to make steam, and just combine earth with steam to create mud, and now combine mud with Venus to create Adam, and now combine Adam with Venus to create Eve. Fine, so this is how you can make Adam and Eve in Infinite Craft. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching.